Yeah, this is our bird project. And we are doing the eastern bluebird. So here we go. The eastern bluebird is a small bird. The size ranges from 16 to 21 centimeters. The male bird has more vibrant colors than the female. It has a bright blue back with an orange and white stomach. It has a small black beak too. The female has the same colors, but they're just a little duller. As a result of the drop of population in the 1940s because of loss of habitat, many people have started to make small boxes for them to live in. The box has a small hole so that no predators can get into it. There is also a door that opens and closes for cleaning. They live in mostly open fields with no sparse ground cover. The eggs are very small. The size is usually 20.9 millimeters. The eggs are pale blue, and white eggs are rare. They are very smooth and are laid in groups of 6 or 7. The female's belly keeps the eggs warm until they hatch. They usually don't hatch for 11 to 19 days after they were laid. After they are born, the male and female birds feed them. They eat mostly small insects, spiders, short-horned grasshoppers, crickets, and beetles. They look for food on perches usually 15 meters above the ground in grassy areas, old fields, or pastures. During breeding season, they eat ground arthropods. In late summer and in winter, they eat fresh fruits. They drink from ponds, streams, and bird baths. The eastern bluebird song sounds like this. The eastern bluebird lives in mostly southeastern United States. They live in states like Texas, Arkansas, Mississippi, Louisiana, Florida, and more. When they are breeding, they live in northeastern states in the United States and a little bit of Canada. They go in and out of some southern states. The ecoregion that the eastern bluebird lives in is Gulf Coast prairies and marshes. The Gulf Coast prairies and marshes has a lot of trees in it, which include the sugarberry, the water oak, the willow oak, spider lily, cardinal flower, Turk's cap, and more. But some fun facts, but they are important facts, about the Gulf Coast prairies and marshes are: coastal areas are rich in wildlife, a narrow band about 60 miles wide along the Tex coast, confrontations with the sea, wind and rain, shallow bays, estuaries, salt marshes, dunes, and tidal flats. The plants of this region must be highly salt tolerant. Coastal marshes harbor hundreds of thousands of wintering geese and ducks, refuges for the endangered Atwater's prairie chicken and the whooping crane. Coastal waters are often grazed by willets, sanderlings, gulls, terns, and black skimmers.